From Rocking Rose and Network Buddy. We've just wrapped up with the Website Essentials Lunch and Learn course, and this is Danielle.
Hi.
Danielle, tell us your business name.
Positive Retail Solutions. We do lots of marketing and marketing consulting.
Yep. Cool. And what did you learn today at the workshop?
Security is a big thing.
Yeah. Cool.
And lots of just your domain names, registering, making sure we know that we're the owners of it is a really big thing.
Good tips.
Yep.
Good. Fantastic. And we're going to go around the table like this quickly. Over to you, Julie. Cool. And this is Julie. Julie is a virtual administrator.
Hi, I'm Julie.
And what did you learn today, Julie?
Mostly the thing that stood out for me is the SSL certificates and the importance of them, and I'm definitely going to get on board.
Sort that out.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Great. Anyway, cheers.
Bye.
Great day. Bye.